So as you can see from the thumbnail, I have an unboxing from Lacoste. I actually just opened this up, like I didn't really go through the package yet and go through the two items I purchased on Black Friday. I actually was looking for a gift for somebody else, and of course, I found something for me. So here it is. This is the envelope, I guess, for the packing slip and stuff like that. Let's see here. Oops. Okay. Alright, so yeah, Black Friday was an event I normally don't do because I'm trying not to shop as much, but somehow for this reason I got into it, and now I know why people go crazy on Black Friday, although I chose to shop online, which is much more convenient because I cannot do the lines at the parking lot or the stores. It gets very crazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so it's two different items. First, let's see. All right, I think they're all both here. So here's the first item. Okay, I'll do this last because this is more of what my channel is about. Hint, hint. The first item, which I really have been wanting, is footwear. And as you can see, I got some slides. And the ones I originally wanted was from Crocs, and I found that these were a better deal considering they were from Lacoste and they were only, you know, a few dollars more. So these are the slides, I guess you can say. And they also had another one online, but they sold out because the one online that I saw had the you know, traditional green outline for the crocodile, and of course I should have jumped at the chance because maybe a few minutes after I saw that my size was available, it sold out. So these are size 7. And they look like they will probably fit me. I'm gonna try these on later. But yep, here they are. Don't remember how much they were. Hold on, let's see if I can. Here is the tag. Yeah, so these are size 7. And I have to manually focus my camera lens because this camera lens is messed up. Accidentally fell when I was crossing the street in San Diego. Okay, so I guess, yeah, these are 7, and I think they come only in whole sizes, so just better off getting the closest one for you. Let me put these on real quick. Yep, they fit perfectly and they're comfortable. My intention was really to buy a pair of slides like this for indoors, but it looks like I can wear these outdoors, but I don't want to get them all dirty or anything because I really want to keep indoor slippers indoors. And I actually have a couple other outdoor slides, so yay, this is perfect. Okay, now on to the next item, which is more exciting because it was also on sale, of course, obviously. Yep, okay. So here is the box. And I will, oh, it's nicely, no, it's not. That was super sealed. Piece of tape here. And, my gosh, this tape. Wow, strong tape. Nice box. Nice quality box. Here it is. Pretty, and it has like the pattern on, I guess, the polo shirts that they're known for. Alligator. Okay, so here we are. Okay, put the slippers. It's not focusing. There we go. This way. Oh my god, it's just as bad as tape. Oh goodness, what's wrong with me? Here we are. And it is a beautiful wallet. Oh, it's pretty. This just, I think it came in two colors. One was white and this was beige, I think, or I don't know what the exact name was. Hold on, let me get this name on here. But it's very cute. And oops. Okay, nice little pebble, no, it's pebbled, but it's a textured leather wallet. Coin purse, coin area, card area here. Okay. Place for your bills. So yeah, it's a nice off cream color and it's compact enough. I was hoping it was thinner because I really wanted to put it in a smaller crossbody, but I'm gonna have to get rid of some of the stuff that I have at the crossbody now because it's just getting too, but I want this is a nice size. And yeah, it has a beautiful gold crocodile here. Nice neutral color. You can wear all year round, even in the winter. But yeah, so here it is, guys. Let me see if there is a name for this wallet. Oops, I'll do back here. Oh, here we are. It is, well, split cow leather. Marshmallow is the color, but it's more like a cream. So it's really a coin card case, but if, you know, it's big enough, or should I have, it has enough space for bills and stuff. So yeah, it works out. And there is the information for that one. I really like the box. It's really cool. I'm into boxes and, you know, paper bags and stuff like that. So okay, and yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm gonna see if I'll be able to make a luxury purchase this season. I have to see, because of course my wish list is never ending. I'm always adding stuff to it. But anyway, this is from Lacoste. These I think are the very first two items I've ever really bought from Lacoste for myself. And yeah, so it was a good deal. Couldn't pass up. Couple of Christmas gifts to myself. But yeah, here we are. So everyone have happy shopping, happy holidays, yeah, and have a Merry Christmas. And if I have a future unboxing, you know, I'll definitely will post here. Okay, bye bye.